Hi, this is Adi, a product manager at Inworld AI. Welcome to Inworld CLI 101. Inworld Runtime is the best way to build and optimize your real-time conversational AI and voice agents. You build your AI in our SDK, launch it via an endpoint through our CLI, and also lastly, come to our web portal to observe log, traces, and dashboards. So let's dive right into a demo and get started. Head to our documentation page at docs.inworld.ai, click on Quick Start, and follow along. The first thing we'll do is we'll install the Inworld CLI. I've already done that, so I'll actually head on to doing Inworld init. Before I do that, I need to log in, so let me log in first. So open up a browser, prompt me to enter my credentials. Cool, I'm not logging successfully. I'll come back here and you can see that I have a successful login and an API key selected. Let me do Inworld init now so that it will actually create a project for me. So notice on the left side, it will create a new folder called lmts.graph. Expand on it. Actually click yes on dependencies first. You'll see that it has 4 nodes in this graph. One for the chat request betting node, preparing the LM request. The LM request that actually generates the output, text chunking, and eventually TTS for audio output. So we have this graph pre-built in from the template package. We can now actually CD into it and create an endpoint from it. So I'll do inworld serve graph.ts, and that will spin up a local endpoint. Cool. You'll see that it's running on localhost 3000. Let me copy the sample command, open a new terminal window, and run it. What I should get back is all the audio bytes. Perfect. And this trace, logs, and dashboard will all reflect in our web portal product right here. Cool. Suppose you're happy with this and you want to deploy it to prod and also integrate into your app. You actually can do is also host it on Inworld Cloud if you prefer to. Self-hosting is also available. It takes about 5 minutes to run, so I've done this already before this demo. You'll see that I run inworld deploy graph.ts, and it's going to give you an endpoint that you can call via Inworld Cloud. So let me copy this and run this. You'll see that the same thing happens with this as well. Okay. Yep. Checking the status, you can see that audio bytes are returning. Perfect. Awesome. So congratulations. You have now a LLM to TTS pipeline that you can integrate into your app. For next steps, we recommend you to go to our documentation and run experiments and explore more templates. So head to our docs, click on runtime. We've just gone through the quick start guide and actually the deployment guide here where we deploy the actual graph. Now head to the portal to understand traces and logs, or even run an experiment by defining different variants, and let us know what you built. Happy hacking.